Good morning everybody, I hope you're all well. I am just about to get ready, so I thought I would jump on and let you guys join me for a chat, so grab a cuppa. I should not have done this. How is everybody today? Hope you're all good. Oh my god, I've matted my hair and done the wrong thing and just wet it so I can restart. But last night, you know when you just don't have the energy to do it, so I thought, oh, I'll just dampen it this morning. But now because Hudson has tugged about it all night, it's all tuggy. So this stuff here is going to save my hair. So right now I'm using the Voodoo's Velvet Crown. This stuff is like liquid gold, it's amazing. You can spray as much as you want on and it'll not leave your hair greasy, which I love. But if you use my discount code capital CA15, you'll get a further 15% off it, which is always a winner. Oh, I'm going to do my makeup first though, but I thought if I can just get most of the tugs out, I'll get it on. What is everybody doing today? Hudson is currently at nursery. Oh no, Carol, I hope you find it. You'd be surprised, we are actually seeing a woman in our hometown who lost the diamond out of her ring and she actually found it. I couldn't believe it. You'd actually think something like that, once it's gone, it's a goner, but no, somebody actually found it for her. I bought those tallow and ash wash and stuff. It's amazing. It's so good, isn't it, Beverly? Smells amazing. Good morning, good morning. Right, oh, there's a wee bobble. I'll chuck my hair up just now while I do the makeup. My forehead is still peeling from my holidays. So depressing. You go and get a nice tan and then it all just peels, like my arms and everything are peeling. So I've been slathering on the moisturiser. I'm good, thank you, Sarita. I hope you're well. As you can see, I'm in the walk-in wardrobe. It is nowhere near finished. Still waiting on some bits of my furniture, so it's a mess in here, but it's where I'm getting ready right now. I've literally got stuff everywhere, but there's lots of stuff, or old furniture being picked up, hopefully tonight, so then I'll have more space. If I brush my hair when it's wet, I'd be bald. Oh no, you shouldn't, but I always do. I'm so rough in my hair. Oh no, Tanya, I send you and your family so much love. Honestly, Hudson's nursery must think it's two different people when I drop him off in the morning to when I collect him. Because in the morning I literally chuck clothes on, wash my face, brush my teeth, and that's it. And then I always come home and get ready. So then at least when I go back to collect him, I look half alive. Cole? Yeah. Would you check if my makeup bag's in that suitcase I opened, please, babe? I forgot to get it. Idiot. So far, I'm using the Perfection Primer from Be Perfect. And my discount code for Be Perfect is CABP, all capitals CABP. Oh no, I've got the micellar water there as well. I'm terrible. To be fair, I did actually give my face a once over with the micellar water this morning, but I still had mascara down the bottom. No, he's not all day. He's, I pick him up at 12:30, so I just thought I'll quickly come on before I go and get him. So I could see you guys. Oh, you will love the foundation, Cheryl. It's amazing.
I've left it at the door.
Thank you.
Did you set the fan like with all my clothes?
I thought you could do it in wash. I bet you use them. What? You should use the Ranny wipes. Oh my God, honestly, Amanda. So a few of you may have seen our brother and sister-in-law is opening their bistro, hopefully very soon. So we were there last night with them having dinner, and oh my God, it is, I can't even tell you how beautiful it is. I'm so excited for their opening. It is going to be amazing. But yes, I decided after we had had our dinner, I'll take the kids out the front and let them play. Hudson decided to literally starfish in the water, full frontal. So that resulted in me coming back home with all three, so I had Kai, Millie and Hudson, soaked to the bone. Mad ones. So I just used the Perfection Primer Silky Matte by Be Perfect, discount code capital CABP. It's lovely, it feels so nice on your skin as well. I actually haven't used foundation in a while, but that's my face nearly fully peeled. I've still got a couple of bits here. And it'll all be gone. But see this Chroma Cover foundation, it is amazing. Unfortunately not yet, Kathy. I'm hoping it's their next thing. Is it Stefan's Bistro? Yes, it is him and his wife's bistro. Nothing to do with us, although we have heard the rumours that it's mine and Cole's, or mine and myself and Cole have bought it for them. We have absolutely nothing to do with the bistro. Somebody actually stopped her sister-in-law Cassie yesterday and said to her, "Oh, it's nice to see you're opening the bistro. That'll be a big change from barbering." Cassie was like, "That's my sisters that are the barbers, not us." It has nothing to do with us. That is their business. Absolutely, hee-haw to do well. We're so lovely to meet you guys at the Five Sisters Zoo. Abbie and Cole, your wee family is beautiful. My mum couldn't believe I met you guys. Wish I got a picture. Oh, Stacey, you should have. Is Be Perfect okay for sensitive skin? Absolutely, Claire. I've got really sensitive skin. I've also got psoriasis and it is amazing on my skin. Have you stopped using another foundation? I have not used another foundation for the best part of 3 years. I literally only use Be Perfect. I absolutely love it. I can't even tell you how much I love it. I seen somebody asking me last night as well if I can find it. I've got literally bits of stuff everywhere. We're doing out this room. I've got stuff everywhere. So I've got boxes, ladder, so painting and everything. There's still lots to do in here, but I'm using Gianna's old dressing table just now. But mine's is being delivered next Tuesday. So hopefully I can do a reveal in here next week. This is the shape stick, and this is mocha, but these sticks are amazing. I love them. Blend so easy. Like, you can literally scrub it on your face and it blends in beautiful. So that's a Be Perfect shape stick. Love it. I love Be Perfect. Oh, good. I love that, Claire. How was your time away? It was amazing. It was so nice. We literally had the best time. Why did this come up on my WhatsApp? I have got no idea, Raggy Doll. Was it your messenger, maybe? I don't know. It is a matte foundation, yes. Hi Abbie, my dressing gown came that I ordered from TikTok shop. It's very thick. It's amazing, isn't it? I promise you, G Hodges, I was literally the biggest fairy cat when it came to makeup before I met Be Perfect. I would never, ever have used like a liquid, cream bronzer, nothing like that, because I just couldn't use them. I just could never blend them. But I promise you, all the Be Perfect literally blend so easy. It's amazing. So now I'm using the Cheek Shade Blushing. Don't forget the discount code though. It is capital CABP. Is it greasy? I have hot flushes so it slips off. Absolutely not, Angela. Definitely use a primer underneath. I say to everybody, you always need a primer or a setting spray, because if you're just putting foundation directly onto your skin, you've got nothing for it to hold on to. You want to make your skin almost like a Velcro, and your makeup is sticking to the Velcro. I prefer Chroma as it's lighter and glowy. Yes, the illuminating one is lighter if you're not looking for as much full coverage. Where have I got one here? So this is that one here. So this is the Chroma Cover Luminous Foundation. Did you learn to do makeup or learn as you go along? Learn as I went along. I've done more makeup since finding Be Perfect than I've ever done before. I've always enjoyed makeup. I've just never been that good at it. My makeup just isn't going on right now. Not Be Perfect fault. I've got a tan with sunbeds and I just cannot find my right shade. Little tip, if you have got a tan and your foundation's a little bit lighter, see this Bronze Boost by Be Perfect? Put a little bit of that in your foundation. It'll just take it a shade darker. I love it. When I was on holiday, that's all I used on my face. How is everybody coping in the holidays? Are we all surviving, parents? Because it is tough out here. Very tough. So I also love this Be Perfect Scorch and Shade Paradise. It's got like a highlighter built into it. It's beautiful. Like, it just makes your skin glow. Like, when I'm wearing that, I don't even put a highlighter on because it's so lovely. Now I'm going in with my Fahrenheit shade Baked. Just surviving. It is real, isn't it? 5 boys driving me nuts. It's hard, isn't it? It's trying to think of things to keep them busy all the time. But then it's also that way of, like, I'm continuously saying to Cole, it's so hard because you also need to let kids be bored. And I think that's where us mums get the mum guilt of, oh, they're saying they're bored again. But do you know what? Being bored is also a part of growing and learning. Like, we do need to learn how to, like, do stuff for yourself and be bored and actually find things for yourself without somebody helping you, without mum giving you a task. Because it is growth for them as well, so actually continuously giving them stuff to do isn't good either. Just try to get that balance, isn't it? I definitely think, I know every circumstance is different, but this is where we struggle as much, so the kids probably do way more than what we usually would, because they do have a split home. So obviously they go to their dad's and then they're back with us. So when we do have them, we do want to go out and do stuff. Whereas if I had them full time, I definitely wouldn't do half as much as what we do with them, if that makes sense. But it's because when we do have them, I want to make the most of that time. And even if that's a movie night at home, like, it doesn't have to consist of a day out, but even a games night or whatever. Whereas when they're with you all the time, you have a bit more freedom to have that downtime and not be doing stuff all the time. Like I say, let them get bored. So that is definitely something we struggle with as parents, because I want them to have that feeling of being able to entertain themselves and stuff, but actually, probably me being selfish, I want to do stuff with them when they are here, because we've got to cram it all into a few days and then they're back. So it's not easy. There's no handbook, you just do what you feel is right. Bored kids breeds their imagination. Absolutely. I'm 50 and had my first tattoo a few weeks ago. I won't be having any more. I must be having. At least you've got one now. Now I'm going in with the Inglot liquid liner. This is also on Be Perfect. Yes, Stefan's still here. He's working away. I think though as well, for here certainly, our weather has been so bad this summer. I think it's one of the worst summers we've had in a long time.
In our life.
Yeah, in our life. It has been horrific. Which definitely makes it harder in the holidays. And I see somebody saying they don't know how their daughter managed with 4 kids in lockdown. But I think actually in lockdown, it was probably the best weather or for here, it was one of the best summers we've ever had. So it wasn't too bad if you had a garden, which I totally understand not everybody did. We were extremely lucky that we had a garden to just get out and play in. Stop rustling, you using the Ranny wipes.
No.
That sounds like it, babe.
I'm emptying my pockets. I've got like loads of rubbish in them. Did you tell everybody how you rudely woke me up this morning?
No.
I don't even want to see that.
Chloe was sound asleep this morning, so I thought I'd wake her up as if I was at her funeral.
That's not nice, babe.
I pretended I was at her memorial. Wait till you see the video, it's hilarious. I think it's great, babe.
I might fall asleep with my mouth open.
Honestly, I felt like I was in a funeral home with her. Lying, giving it big licks with the mouth wide open. I'd to have some fun with it. Same here, Sarah. There were so many games that you'd play and occupy yourself with, didn't they? Abbie, your celeb lookalike is definitely Kristen Stewart from Twilight. Anyone else think that? Thank you. I always get that, or I think it'd be from Friends. I can't think of her name now. What's her name? Not Monica. Can't think of her name. But she's on Friends. I always get that one too. So now I'm using the Katie Daly Perfection Powder. Does Cole wear much makeup? No.
Oh no, is everybody got to hear me pee?
Probably. It's a noisy toilet.
What if it's a whole fart?
No, not Rachel from Friends. The one with the dark hair. Can't think of her name. Courtney Cox, that's the one. Her. Katy Perry. When I was younger, it was always Nelly Furtado. I'm like a bird, I wanna fly away. Where's my liner? Ah, here we go. So this is the Be Perfect Pencil Man in shade Abyss. My God, I love Saran Jones. I literally watch anything she's in it. Pardon?
I'm going for my mullet back.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you should. I love your mullet.
Not a long mullet.
Yeah. Medium mullet. It's a Hera tracksuit you'll see me wear all the time. It's literally my favourite. I wear it all the time. Too much. But it's so comfy.
Trendsetter. We should have had a double dressing table.
I said that
When?
from the start. That's what I tried looking at, was double dressing tables, because I'm sick of you nicking mine. Todd, I can't put you on my knee.
No, my boy. I was seeing you one. What's it up here? Sit nice in. He's echt nou een squirt, woman. Don't squirt. It's a big jump. Don't try and jump. You want up to? Not really, you'll not really show the job. Come on, go kids. Where is mine? Did you put your makeup bag back into here?
Yes, it's all in.
The N3 is the one I usually use. Where's the darker shade? I've been using. Gem. Aha! W3.
I did. I used to wear the Clinique. I've stopped. I went back to my Old Faithful mascara. It's the only thing I go between of using Be Perfect and that one. It's whatever one's closest to hand, to be fair.
I don't have my face. Is it? See, this, we need to get light in for in here, because that there.
My new light that's coming's got lights round it like that.
This is what you need
working.
to be perfect. The chroma. Look at this dark eye. Right, watch.
Just ordered some of the Lip Library trio. Oh my god, the Lip Library is amazing. That's where I'm going now. It is stunning.
I can't wait to go to Belfast's actual
Yeah.
Be Perfect. What's it called? I think it'll be
Headquarters.
I just want to go and walk about with everybody, not for the makeup work.
Can you pass me the Lip Library box, please?
I need to get some sleep by the looks of it. What?
Look at this. Is that not the sexiest thing you've ever seen in your life? It is beautiful.
Ah! Don't blame me.
Could have been you. Could have been me.
That's the one person that's at the funeral.
Yeah.
Could have been me.
Look at that though. Remember, don't forget our discount code, capital CABP.
I've tagged it. Could you not see the tag?
I don't know, I can't see nothing.
Could you see the tag? Is Vivi here?
Right now I'm going in with Thriller.
Vivi, are you here?
No, I don't think she is. I've not seen her. Must be hard at work today.
I don't. Vivi's never once missed a live in 4 years, so if she's not here,
I don't
in
think
fact,
I've
I'm going to
seen
bet you £100 that Vivi's here. Vivi, are you here? Has anyone seen Vivi?
It is literally so creamy and so easy to go on.
If you want to see Abbie apply it, if you swipe your screen to the right, your comments will come off the screen, so you can actually have a full view about the comments, and then you can
It
swipe
is
it back.
so beautiful. It looks plastic because I've seen a few people saying, how do I sharpen it? It sharpens like a normal pencil. Under that coating is pencil at the top, so it sharpens really easy. That is shade Thriller. I don't like opening these. I like keeping them like this because it looks so nice. Now I'm going in with a Villain. She's a villain. She's a villain. Todd, you can't come up here, baby. Look at that, though. How stunning. It's like magnetic.
No, baby.
Beautiful.
We were supposed to be live last night doing our mystery box. Oh, by the way, I've got more parcels coming. But Abbie got stuck in the toilet.
I had such a bad diabetes attack last night. It was horrific.
And then we just felt like it's way too late for Facebook.
Yeah. Nobody's awake at that time on Facebook. How beautiful is that though? That's Villain. So I've used Thriller, Villain, and now I'm going with the Ultra Shine Gloss in Obsession. Don't my heat's all peeling.
No, the grey. Look. So
I had to write to them as I thought it was a wind-up pencil. Felt like a right woman when she says it sharpens. Yeah, they all sharpen. So that's shade Obsession. So I've used Thriller, Villain, Obsession on my lips.
Have you got a different colour on that?
No?
It looks red.
Oh, you're using the one I put a brown on. I couldn't find my eyebrow stuff last night. And I nearly glued my eyebrows to the ceiling trying this thing that Gianna gave me. It was horrific. It wasn't a good look. So that is the lip library here, and you can buy these in trios. They're amazing. What did I use under my eyes? I used the Mrs. Glam in shade 01 Light Pink. It is honestly amazing. It's beautiful. Hello.
What time's this in?
These earrings are just from River Island. 12:30. Yep. So makeup complete.
You look beautiful. Come on, Tony. I need to do my hair, but I'll not bother you.
I know, the packaging is beautiful, isn't it? I don't want to take any of the lip stuff out the lip library because it just looks so satisfying. Like that. Like I want to keep it like this. It's so nice. Eyeshadow, I highly recommend the Golden Hour, the Dawn Edition Be Perfect. It's beautiful because it's got your bronzers, blusher and shadows. Like, that is stunning. But don't forget, use our discount code CA, all capital, CABP. That is lovely, but I don't have any eyeshadow on today. Right, so this here is what you need if you've got frizzy hair, split ends, you just want your hair to look nice and shiny. Voodoo's Velvet Crown, sleek, smooth shine. Now this is a thermal conditioning spray, so perfect for before you're blow drying your hair without wrecking it. The discount code for this one is CA15 and you get % off, but you can literally spray tons of this on. Oh no, I've pulled it up. That's it. I'm just going to blast it. But it literally makes your hair so shiny. I suffer with very itching scalp. What can I use? I would recommend Voodoo's the exfoliating scalp scrub. It's amazing. I've got psoriasis on my scalp and it has been one of the best things ever. Look at all them braids. My roots desperately need done. So it is all Be Perfect makeup I've got on. The discount code for that is capital CABP. I use the Be Perfect Chroma Cover Foundation. So Voodoo's, this here. That name there, that's it. Voodoo's. I bought the Golden Hour face palette. I love it when I don't want much makeup, just a bit to cover. Yeah, it's amazing. Yep, it saves your hair from the heat of putting your hair dryer on it, but not only that, it takes away all your frizz. It just gives you really silky, shiny hair. It's amazing. Thank you, Michelle Atherton. Videos discount code CA15. Be Perfect code is CABP. Oh, I love the Be Perfect tan. See, my hair's not overly thick. I've just got a lot of hair. Do they do starter kits? Not in the makeup, not as far as I'm aware. Just little kits like this, though, are really good. See this little base edge as a starter? This would be amazing for you. That's on the Be Perfect website. It's stunning. Especially if you're not somebody who wears makeup but just wants a nice little glow. That's awesome. The makeup code is capital CABP, so call Abbie Be Perfect. I do. I love my Voodoo's hairdryer, but everything like that is packed away right now. I've still got half of my makeup, half of my hair stuff, all put away in a chest from doing out in here. So I've not got anything out just now. The Voodoo's hairdryer is a lot lighter, I feel, to hold than that one. This is the Golden Hour Base Edit Kit. So you're getting the primer in here, you're getting the 1 Dew 3 setting spray, you've got the cheek, little bit of cheek, and you've got the quad. Now this can be used bronzer, blusher, highlighter, and on your eyes. Let's put that on. So that is the 1 Dew 3 Prep and Set. So you can use that before as your primer and after. Let me see if we can find. There's so much stuff in here. So this here is the Voodoo straighteners. I don't think these are back in stock yet, unfortunately. But I will get a first heads up when they are back in stock, because I can't even tell you how amazing they are. They are awesome. So these are infrared straighteners, which is amazing. So I will let you know as soon as these are back in stock, because honestly, I can't even tell you how good these are. They are awesome. Less damage to your hair as well. I love the Radiant Tanning Drops. I love them. The only thing I struggle with, they're not often in stock. So I literally had a bottle and I saved it. I think I finished it the other day and I was devastated. I said to them, they need to get more stock of it because they are stunning. They're one of my favourite products, to be fair, but I don't often talk about them because they can never get them in stock enough. But yeah, I love them, Melissa. Voodoo's discount code is capital CA15 and Be Perfect for makeup is CABP. Do not forget to use Defender when you're straightening your hair. Protect, protect. Nobody wants dry straw hair. Do they have matte lip colours? Yes, they've got lots of stunning matte colours. Let me have a look. I think this one, that's satin as well. I don't think I've got many matte here in my drawer. For me personally, I'm not as much as a big... I love the way the matte ones look, but I don't like the feel of them. So I always go for the satin ones. No, they're all satin as well. I don't have a matte one here. I do have one somewhere because I did wear it all the time. And then I just put a gloss on top so it didn't feel that way for me. But yes, their matte ones are beautiful. The Voodoo hair treatment you use, can that go on dry hair too before straightening? Yes. So you can use that, but if you're straightening, you want to use the Defender Heat Protection Spray. It's awesome. You can never spray too much and it'll not leave your hair looking greasy, which is always a big thing for me. I don't have the thickest of hair, but I've got a lot of hair. Like, hairdressers are always like, oh my God, I can't believe how long it's taken me to do your hair because you've got so much of it.
Did you show them the velvet crown?
Yeah.
Have you seen it on my hair?
No.
Will you be able to see it properly? Honestly, I got the shock of my life using this the other day because I didn't think it would work on short hair. I'll do one side. What have you got?
Can you be spraying my hair?
Oh, you've got the...
Oh, 1 minute. I'll take 2 seconds, then I'll put the hairdryer back in for you. I was saying, unfortunately, the straighteners are currently out of stock, but I am getting word very soon.
Do you know what is back in stock?
That they should. The waver.
Yeah.
I know.
No, the curling wand.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
not the 3 tong.
Yeah.
Single ones. I just went to bed all my hair off.
Stefan's here. He's working downstairs. He's in the office. He's working his way through all the mountains of paperwork.
Yeah, I wonder why he has paperwork, babe.
But honestly, I cannot recommend these enough. They are amazing. So as soon as they are back in stock, I shall let you know. I really need you to do my roots for me,
18th, I think. But they'll probably go back out of stock. Is it the 18th?
I'm not meant to tell that.
What?
18th.
You ready? Right, I'm waiting. So I got to change my hair in a different day.
No, here, that's me done. I'll put it in.
Right, look at it on short hair. I've just sprayed both sides now. But I've got really wiry grey hairs. And I desperately need a haircut.
I'm saying, I think
Is it going to work when I've had my wax on yesterday? I'm not washing my hands.
Then I think what she's going to do, I think she's got 3 months because I'm certainly a different mum when I pick up to when I drop off.
See, that is major silky soft for me. My hair never done it not. Look. Because I've got such curly hair, if I was to blow dry it usually, it just goes in like big
like
thick
that.
clumps. Yeah.
I put it on Cole's mum's hair to see how it worked on curly hair, and oh my god, her hair looked amazing. It was so
Yeah, my hair's really thick.
Yeah, Cole's got really thick hair, whereas mine's isn't thick, but of how much hair have I got?
I nearly let go of another secret
Got
there, babe.
so much hair.
Were you looking for me? I was in a meeting. Vivi, I owe Abbie £100, thank you.
Told you.
Look at that though. Boosh. Obviously I texturised my hair anyways.
Now I'm using the Prep Top.
Yeah, I'm going to grow that section back in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Spike up today just for added effect.
Yeah.
We're good, Alice. We will be live tonight, guys. A lot of people were saying about us not being live as often. Honestly, we've got 3 kids, and it's the summer holidays. If anybody's got kids at home, if you know, you know. So we're trying to do our content as much as we can in between.
Not only that though, we are doing all platforms as well, and for such a long time we didn't do Tea Talk lives. So it's nice to be back on there too.
Yeah, but we're only doing them once a week. It's
Yeah, we're not
because people were
we don't
asking if we
do them
replaced
as
it. We
much.
haven't replaced.
Oh no, we don't do them half as much as what we do.
You
here.
guys are busy. They can buzz off. No, it's honestly, it's just when 2 weeks. Is it a week? Got a week and a half or something left of the summer holidays.
Yeah, it's not long.
Hudsy boys at nursery.
Next
and
week we're
the
going
kids
away.
are back to school. We're going away next week. A lot of people have been about us being away and stuff like that. We get the kids half of the summer holidays, so you will see us going over and above with different family members. Next week we're going with all Abbie's
So hard when
family.
you've got a big family, you're trying to split it.
Yeah.
The kids want to play with them cousins, they want to see them cousins, I want to see my brothers and sisters.
Yeah.
Do stuff with Cole's brothers and sisters, with my parents, her parents, like
And our
it's
kids,
amazing having
a
a
lot of
big-
people were saying about seeing us a lot with my family. Our kids' best friends.
they're best friends of
With-
the same age.
Aye, but they're best friends with my brother's and sister's kids.
Yeah.
So Gianna's best friends with Evie and Ellie at school. Everything
Yeah.
They do everything together, out with us, seeing each other. And Kai and Millie are best friends, which is Stefan's youngest. I had a sleepover last night. They're actually here. End of August? No,
Yeah, it's
ours go back
Wednesday as well.
to school before England, so ours go back to school.
21st or something, I think it is. The
Yeah.
day. Not next Wednesday, the following Wednesday. We're not actually sure where we're going next week, to
I
be
don't know.
honest. We've not actually booked it yet. We're in the midst of kind of trying to sort that out today.
Come to Florida Disney next year. I'll let you know in advance, Joy. Come say hi. And you know what? And then we get the comments like, oh, don't try for another baby. Focus on the kids that you've got. And to me, we do a lot. Do you know what I mean? Like, and then if we're out doing stuff, people are like, oh, look at you doing everything. We focus on our kids whether
What's
they're
Ab's
here or...
putting in your hair? I'm putting in the Prep Talk dry texture spray. So it's almost like a dry shampoo, but it's also really good for your roots as well. I get really flat hair just because it is so straight. So putting a bit of that on.
Let's see if I had a comb. Did you put this on my hair?
Eh?
Or you put it on my hair?
I've not put it on your hair, no.
Oh.
And then Trendsetter, their hairspray, is just really nice. And it actually keeps your hair that way. Which is nice.
Oh, please, it's too
and it doesn't
close.
go white.
Yeah, it did at me because I've went.
Yeah, it does. No, it's not only that, you've just got to rub it in. Because it is a dry powder texture. So
See,
it will
my
go white
texture
at first.
No,
So if you're
can't
using
do
it
it
as
with
a
my
dry
finger.
shampoo, I always recommend putting it on when you go to bed. Slab your hair in it, and then in the morning, the white's gone.
Well, I did say, like, depending on what we decide to do, whether we go IUI, obviously if you've watched our video yesterday, adoption, or if we decide to end our
I
journey.
would love to come to Australia.
I don't know.
Well, I best be getting going, guys, and picking up Wreck-It Ralph, pardon me.
Thank you, Nancy.
I promised I'd pick him up and take him through the car wash.
Yeah, so that's Voodoo's hair. It's just Voodoo's hair online.
Yeah.
So if you just search Voodoo's hair, you'll find Voodoo's there, and then she first done Be Perfect Cosmetics. Voodoo's hair is the sister company to Be Perfect. But you're going to see us up front with these companies very soon. It's Be Perfect's been the biggest passion of Abbie's entire life, our biggest proud moment since doing online, and it comes with complete honesty.
I was running out a product the other day, right, and I know I've got it in my Cole and Abbie box, but I couldn't bring myself to take the product out because I want to look back in like 50 years time and look at the products inside like that's what I used when I was younger.
Yeah.
So all the products are staying in there and I'm not using them.
And Voodoo's hair, we recently got an ambassador.
Shoot.
For them. It's so exciting. But you'll see a lot more of that because we're going to actually go to Belfast.
Is it the Prep Talk? Then the Trendsetter hairspray. And then this, the Defender, is a must. These two are a must. Velvet Crown and Defender. Discount code capital CA15.
If anybody uses this in the comments,
It's amazing.
everybody will tell you. Search it anywhere for
Sending you
reviews.
so much love, Carla, and baby dust your way.
Vivi will tell you. Vivi, how good is this? But yeah, we will see you tonight. We will be live tonight for sure. Not sure what we'll be doing live yet, but we've got a few things there. Or we might even just do a chat live and a haircut. I'm not sure.
Thank you. Just desperately need my roots done. So once my roots are done, it'll be a bit better.
There, Vivi's pinned. Best thing I've ever used.
It's amazing, isn't it?
It lasts forever as well.
Yeah, they ship to the USA. Well, I've had that for ages, and I literally douse my hair in it when it's wet after washing it. And I've still got so much.
Sorry, I'm not going to bombard your live again. I'm like, totally.
So, the Voodoo's
Bye guys, see you after.
products here, if you search Voodoo's products, they will come up. But yeah, they ship worldwide. And then the Be Perfect products that I used is everything on my face. Yeah, these two are a must. But I love these two as well. I love them all. Yeah, I've got short hair and I use it and it's amazing. Love that. Right, I need to go just now because I really need to go and pick Hudson up. But I will see you all later on tonight. Have a great day. Don't forget, discount code capital CABP for Be Perfect Makeup. And for Voodoo's, it is capital CA15 for discount. Hasta la vista, baby.